In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Campfire Transcripts in Basecamp. Let's start from right inside your Basecamp account. First, you'll need to get to the admin area. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small button or menu labeled Admin Land, usually just below your initials or profile picture. Go ahead and click that. This is where Basecamp keeps all of the high-level account tools, including the option to export your data. Once you're in Admin Land, scroll down until you find the section labeled Export Data from this account. It may be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. When you do spot it, there will be a button or link that lets you start an export. Click that to begin the process. This tells Basecamp that you want a copy of your account data, which will include your Campfire transcripts. Next, you'll be asked which projects you want to include in the export. This is where you can be selective. If you only need Campfire chats from a few specific projects, carefully choose just those ones. On the other hand, if you're not sure where a particular conversation lives or you want a full archive, you can select all projects. Keep in mind that exporting everything might take longer and result in a larger download, so choose what makes the most sense for you. After you've made your selection, confirm the export by clicking the Export My Data button or whatever similar wording you see. This doesn't download anything immediately. Instead, it kicks off a background process on Basecamp's servers. Depending on how much data you have, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to quite a bit longer, so it's normal not to see results right away. Basecamp will send you an email once the export is ready. Keep an eye on the inbox associated with your Basecamp account. When the message arrives, open it and look for the download link they provide. Click that link to download a compressed folder to your computer. Inside that folder, you'll find your project data organized into files and HTML pages. Your Campfire and Ping messages will be included there, usually in an easy-to-browse format that you can open in any web browser. From here, you can save, search, or back up your transcripts as needed.